Hello everyone, this is MD Nuruddin Islam, and welcome back to MN Zone 1, YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are well.
Xiaomi's Redmi launched the Redmi A1 in India earlier last month, and today, the company introduced the Plus model in the Asian country. It comes in 2GB, 32GB and 3GB, 32GB configurations, priced at 7,499 Indian rupees, $91 per 93 euros, and 8,499 Indian rupees, $103 per 105 euros, respectively. However, as a part of the Diwali celebration, both versions will be sold at a discount of 500 Indian rupees, $6 per 6 euros, for a limited time. You can buy one in black, light blue, or light green color starting October 17 through Xiaomi's official Indian website, Flipkart, mi.com, and offline retail stores across the country. The Redmi A1 Plus isn't an entirely new smartphone, though. It's a Redmi A1 with a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner and a 3GB RAM option. The Redmi A1 comes in a single 2GB, 32GB configuration in India and is available for 6,299 Indian rupees, $76 per 78 euros through Xiaomi's Indian website and Amazon. The Redmi A1 Plus is powered by the Helio A22 SoC and runs MyUI 12 based on Android 12 Go edition. It's built around a 6.52 HD Plus display with a notch for the 5MP selfie camera, and its rear panel, having a leather texture finish, sports a dual camera system comprising an 8MP primary camera and a QVGA unit. The rest of the Redmi A1 Plus highlights include a 3.5mm headphone jack, a dedicated micro SD card slot for storage expansion of up to 512GB, and a 5000 mAh battery charge through a micro USB port at up to 10W.
So this was our video today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a like in the video. Keep subscribing to the channel. See you all in the next video.